In this video, I will show you how to replace a wax filter from your hearing aid. This white circular thing is the wax filter, so sometimes it can get clogged with wax. So to remove this, you will need additional wax filters. So this stick has a new wax filter at one end and an empty end. To replace that, push the empty end into the hearing aid's wax filter, pull it out, then turn it around and then push the new wax filter. That's it. You'll have to throw this in the dustbin.